Honda offers two primary methods for updating your infotainment system: over-the-air, OTA, and USB. OTA updates are delivered wirelessly via Honda Link or your vehicle's cellular connection, automatically installing software, map updates, and new features. For models without reliable cellular service, USB updates are available. Download the update files from Honda's website onto a USB drive, then plug it into your car's USB port. Most 2022 and newer models like the Civic, Accord, CR-V, and Pilot support OTA. Keep in mind that Honda now averages 2 to 3 OTA updates annually per model, covering bug fixes and new features. For OTA updates, ensure you have a stable internet connection and an active Honda Link subscription. The Honda Link app allows you to schedule and monitor updates. For USB updates, format the USB drive to FAT32 or exFAT and download the correct files from Honda's website. Ensure your vehicle's battery is charged during the process. Map updates are crucial for accurate navigation, using Here Maps with quarterly OTA refreshes. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay receive seamless updates via OTA, improving compatibility. Remember to back up personal data before any update. Also, note that Honda is shifting towards subscription-based models for premium features, and future updates will likely integrate AI for predictive maintenance and improved user experience.